I don't know what road this is. I see an LA Fitness.
LA Fitness?
Yeah, okay, I'm at the base of it. I am wetacious. I'm wearing khakis and they're really dark and soppy now. I hear you. Oh, I see you. Hi. Hi.
Where are you?
On my bike.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Hi, Adam.
Hi. Dude, that looks clean. Wow. Is that new right there?
Yeah.
Wow. That's good. You can just hear it. Mine are probably purple, but every time it rains and I'm wearing these, yep.
What the fuck?
I don't know why they turned purple.
I didn't think you were gonna tell me.
Yeah, neither did I. Dang, that looks super dope. Sometimes. Everything's too slippery. Yeah. Oh, you were smart.
Yeah.
I thought my phone was gonna short out. Oh! Are you kidding me? I can see it all over there. It looks really nasty. Let's just go that way.
Okay.
Oh, I hate you! Are you kidding me? What the heck? Oh my god, I am not riding by you anymore. Oh, I know where we are. I did the water wheelie through there. Oh yeah, look at this one. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm so scared there's like a pothole. Oh yeah. I love this weather. Seriously, there's like gotta be like a tornado watch or something. Oh yeah, it is really green. It's fine, I promise. It's not gonna rain. I keep thinking my brake is really mushy, but it's just an inch of water in my boots. Oh my god. That looks so dope! Yes! Look at those chemtrails! Control the population! Hit that combo. Living little footprints. Bro. Okay. I'm moving over. I can't see. We're going home. It was a good ride. This is where I've been for the past 4 weeks. It's just been raining. That's it. Constant rain. So happy to be on summer break right now. What a good start. Sunshine, clear skies, 105 degrees. Guys, you have to take me home. My mom said I can't ride in the rain alone. Yeah, you have to go all the way to my garage, and then I'll feed you. I bet it's dry in there. Oh yeah, living the dream. Easy there, Pilgrim. It feels so good. Lift up your head and you can get it on your neck. And it feels so good. Ah, yes. Pain is discipline. No, it looks good. It looks clear skies. I don't know what you're talking about. Your window's open. Stay dry. Come on, bring it on, Mother Nature. This is all you got? This is all you got? Throw a tractor trailer at me with some 180-mile-an-hour winds. I'm into some kinky stuff, Mother Nature. I told you, let's ride out of the rain, and you go, let's go to the lot. I'm seriously considering pulling over and waiting this out. Oh, lightning. Yeah. Yes! My phone is gonna die, I'm telling you. I need a plastic bag like you. I can't see. Did someone honk? No! You have to take me home. This is not halfway. It's fine. It's not that bad. I'll feed you some turkey. Oh, I was gonna pull over at the Shamrock so we could be dry. My everything's wet. I got it. Yep, I just got an emergency flash flood warning.
There you go.
I'm glad I'm gonna make it home alive. I cannot ride that way. I can't. You feel that? It's water.
You can do this. Get a hold of your...
Ow.
Come on.
What are you going? What are you doing? Ah, my GoPro's probably ruined. I just saw lightning. Okay, let me just sit on my hunk of metal and ride home. Oh, you stupid little... Here we go. I can't see, I'm guessing. That's a curve. Oh my god, we're splitting. No! Run it! Get out of my way. I'm so mad right now. It is wet. It's raining, so the laws don't apply to us. Holy crap! Oh wow, that was a gunshot. What? No. I'm all alone. Hello? Stay with me. I'm scared. I don't know. I just see red lights right now. This person doesn't even have her. Oh, she just freaking hit me with the water. Don't freak out. I can't see there. Okay, red lights are on. I see lights. I'm getting over. Oh! Wow! Is there a cover? Where? The bank? Okay. Can't see, can't see, can't see. I kind of want to go to the parking garage still. Yeah, because there's wind in here and it's cold.
Alright, let's go.
To the parking garage?
Yeah.
Not too far. Okay, you want to stay here? It never strikes this close. I know no one's gonna believe us when we tell them that it was raining like this. My god. Jesus! Do we make our way to the parking garage or stay here?
There.
Oh my god! This is not okay! What is wrong with Mother Nature right now? I'm so glad I decided to not ride all the way home.
So glad we decided to ride it all.
Yeah, I'm so glad. What are you... No! When I first got...
We're good. It's fine.
Yeah, that's not even... Yeah, it's not even that bad. Just go home. Okay, I can't see anything. And there goes lightning. Yeah, a little cherry up the mood. Go, yeah. Oh, oh no, lightning. Go, go, go. Oh my god, the wind. I'm just looking at the... We just have to make it the parking garage. Just the parking garage. And we're good. Yeah! Woo! Living life to the fullest. We're almost to the turn, I think. I don't know where we are. I can't see the signs. Oh, yep, that was like a good like 400 feet that way. Hurricane Katrina. We're here. Woo! Look at these nasty hands.